Rip, you helping? We are back on the CRX. The PLM headers came in the mail today. Let's get this up in the air and see how we're gonna Lego Tetris finagle that into place. For any of you that have watched more than one of any of my videos, do you like when I put background music when there's time-lapse parts, or would you prefer I talk? Do you like the background music throughout, you know, the audio parts too? Let me know. All right, I'm dying, sweating, having a hell of a time trying to squeeze it through everything. I unbolted the subframe to get it up there, and now it's just kind of stuck, and I can't really finagle it to get it to turn this way. I need a second person to stand up here and kind of guide it while I wrench on the bottom, but waiting for the lady to get back from an appointment, so maybe she can help me. We'll see. Keep trying. A little bit of persuasion, jack with some 2x4s to put some pressure on it, some taps with a mallet. It's sitting on the studs. I'm gonna put the bolts on and get her locked down and then attach everything underneath. So I know my thumbnail makes it seem like this was a fail. It was to a degree, just hard to mount up. I should have taken the radiator fan off. PLM header description on their website said it doesn't just bolt right up, that you need a test pipe or a couple fitting pieces. So I always knew I was taking it to XPerformance and I wouldn't finish it that day, but I did have trouble getting them headers on. I should have taken that damn radiator fan off. And we just continue to fail with this goddamn exhaust. So here's the test pipe I installed because my original catalytic converter was rusted to, oh fuck. So you can see the 3x3 lines up with the NVIDIA exhaust, but this is, these two flanges are different on the PLM. This is a much larger 2-bolt flange, and as you can see, it doesn't even fit inside of the cat at all. So fuck it, I'm gonna end up driving this to XPerformance and with the basically an open header and telling Carlos, you know, weld this, make me something for this little connection here. Yeah, but I will start it with an open header because that'll sound fucking cool. So let's do that. Fail. Continuing to fail. Let's see what open header sounds like. Hilarious. If car stuff was easy and everything went well every time, I guess everybody would do it. So, fail number 2. Picked up the CRX from XPerformance. Got the windows tinted. See the I got 50% on the windshield, 5% strip, 20% all around. Looks great. Got the exhaust welded up. Get her started, see what she sounds like. There we go. Give you a sound bite when I get home. CRX is back. Exhaust is done. Took it down to XPerformance. Like I said, Carlos did a little flex pipe to connect the two ends that didn't really fit. Came out great, sounds great. Not a big performance change, but I didn't expect much of that. Oh, this guy's cool. So, yeah, she looks good. Runs good. Don't really have any, oh no. Hybrid shifter. Hybrid racing short shifter. I got that in the mail. Waiting on new shifter bushings. That's going to be the next video for the CRX. So have a good one.